We're going to make homemade macaroni and cheese. I've never made it for you guys, so we're making it today. We need 2 cups of dry macaroni pasta, and it's going to go into a boiling pot of water I have on the stove. Okay. I have my casserole dish here. We're going to put in 1 stick of unsalted butter because cheese has a lot of salt. So we want to make sure we're using unsalted. So 1 stick or a half a cup. Well, you know what? I think I'm going to take this little bit and I'm just going to, you know, kind of like grease my casserole dish with it. That's a good idea because you don't need but just a little. Now we're just going to throw the other right in our pan. Simple. Okay, we're going to go ahead and let our butter start melting, and we're going to make a roux, which a roux is a gravy. So we're going to let the pasta cook for like 8 minutes till it is tender, and so we can get it. We're going to get this made pretty quick. So now we are going to put in a half a cup of all-purpose flour. Just going to pour it right in, and we're going to stir it up. See how it turns into a paste? We're just going to cook it for about 1 minute to 2 minutes because we're going to cook that flour out. So we're going to keep stirring it around, and now we're going to add some pepper. We need 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Now you can use black pepper if you want, but I have some white pepper, and so I'm going to use it. And then I need 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, if I can get it open. Got it. Okay, so we're going to add 2 teaspoons of our chicken base. And I used heaping. Let me let my little doggy out. Then we're going to stir this around, and it'll start to smell really good. Okay, now we're going to add 2 cups of milk. And I'm using whole milk. And I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of salt. Kosher salt is what I'm going to use. We're going to make sure we get it good and stirred around. Okay, I'm going to use a little wire whisk because a whisk seems to help break up everything really good, because we want a smooth, creamy cheese sauce. Okay, making macaroni and cheese does not have to take very long. It doesn't take long at all to make homemade macaroni and cheese. Now, my mom likes the box macaroni and cheese better than the homemade. You know, some people have their own taste. I really love homemade baked mac and cheese. Oh, I need to preheat my oven. And it will have a very, you know, like a thick consistency, like a gravy. Now we're going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. We're going to make it taste really good. And we're just going to stir that around. Now we're going to put in 4 slices of cheddar cheese, of just regular cheddar cheese slices. just going to kind of spoon that around. Now we're going to put in 2.5 cups of cheddar cheese. And I had some cube cheese, so I'm going to use it. Remember, we always use what we have. And we're just going to get that in there. All that good cheese. And now it's like a thick sauce. Our cheese, we don't want it to burn, so we want to kind of turn it down and just keep whisking it around. So we don't want it to burn. And when it's full and creamy, oh my goodness, don't that look good? We're going to go and get our pasta and drain it. I think our pasta is ready, and I'm going to drain it and put it right in this cheese sauce. Okay, now I'm going to drain my pasta, and we're going to get it in that sauce. Okay, we're going to put it right in. We're going to put the pasta right in. And I'm going to take it off the burner because it's done. Okay, so we have our buttered dish here. We're just going to go ahead and put it right in. And see, no scorched pan. Okay, I am going to add some breadcrumbs. A little bit, I'm going to add some breadcrumbs to the top of this. Just kind of push it on. Just kind of put it on. And this is totally optional, but I'm going to put a little bit of parm on mine. I just like to do that, probably about 2 tablespoons. I love Parmesan cheese, and I love macaroni and cheese. Okay, we're going to put this in our 375-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes. And then we've got homemade mac and cheese. That was easy, and I can't wait to have that for dinner tonight. Homemade macaroni and cheese. I am starving, so I want some mac and cheese. Wow. Don't that look fantastic? So hot, so creamy. You can add hamburger to this. You can do anything you would like. Oh my gosh. I love mac and cheese. Love, love, love it. I want to say thank you guys for watching, for commenting, for trying my recipes and giving me feedback, good and bad. I love it. You guys are the best audience on YouTube. Thank you so much for your sweet, kind comments, your gifts, I don't know what to say. I am just humbled at your kindness. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day and make the mac and cheese. You're going to love it.